Hey guys, this is Nick Watson again at Joseph Motors. I'm gonna add a new vehicle to our YouTube stream. This is a 2018 Chevy 2500 four-door, four-wheel drive, utility body. This thing's only got 90,000 miles on it, in really nice shape. Brand new Ironman tires wrapped all the way around it. Power windows, power locks, trailer tow trim. Really nice truck, keyless entry. No rips or tears in the seats. One owner, clean Carfax. All our trucks are from rust-free environments all over the country, out west and down south. Boys did a really nice job bringing this one back. Knapheide utility body. Put our custom coat in the back of it here. Tow package. Side steps. Side impact airbags. Head blocker airbags. Just a really clean truck. Looking for a cream puff, I got one sitting here. You got any questions on this unit, please give me a call at 919-661-2886. My name is Nick Watson with Joseph Motors. Or hit us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. Have a great day.